Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. Somebody just asked me the other day, what is the best mattress? Now, I have patients who, even though they have a lot of aches and pain, and they come in and they tell me that they can sleep here and this is the best bed that they've had to sleep in. So it has nothing to do with the bed itself because this is not a fancy bed. It has something to do with the mattress itself. Now, I want to tell you, how do you pick the best mattress? Now, for this one, as you can see, this one has some pretty thin cushioning there. The board underneath makes it very straight and very firm. So with some cushioning on top, it gives it a very good support. So now the mattress that you're gonna pick has to be something that's similar to, not only that it's gonna be thin, so because some mattresses are thick, the most important part there is it has to be firm. So when you lie down on it, it doesn't sink. I know a lot of people, they like something that's soft, they feel like it's comfortable. The thing is, if it sinks, then the curve of your body is not going to be straight. Your spine's not going to be straight. The mattress itself will go with the curve of your body, which ideally is not. It should be straight. So when you let the curve of the body determine the shape of your spine or the position of your spine when you're sleeping, it's not going to end up well all the time. Sometimes it may, sometimes it may not. So you want the mattress that's firm. It doesn't mean that the mattress has to be $1,000 mattress. This bed actually is just several $100s, and it's pretty good support. The one I personally use at home, it's even less than $500, and I've used that for like more than 10 years, and I really sleep, I really sleep well on it. Other people who sleep on it for the first time, they start having aches and pain because they're not used to that kind of consistency, that kind of firmness. But overall, it's gonna help you in the long run. It's gonna get you good sleep. It's gonna get that ache and pain to go away, especially if you have lower back or neck pains. All right, so if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and if you like this video, feel free to share it with people your friends and family. You can like us on Facebook or follow us on Instagram, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.